Alright, recording the sewer line here at 12715 2nd Avenue Northwest. Date's September 3rd, 2020. But we're recording this from the clean out down here in the basement access. So we're going to pull back. We're looking at the Seattle City main there running by larger diameter pipe. That's where the responsibility of the homeowner there ends. And coming back from this point is the responsibility to maintain of you, Mr. Phil. The recording's for you, so if you got any questions, shoot. So, coming back, this is 6-inch diameter, old concrete sewer. Have you ever had issues with this thing?
Sorry?
Have you ever had issues with this thing?
No.
Okay.
No, I don't want to.
Wellness check?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Well, from on the way out, and I kind of went fast on the way out, so we'll go slow on the way back, but it looked pretty good at a quick glance. This is all original, so this pipe probably when this place was built in the, 30s, 40s over here in this neighborhood?
Well, I'm not sure. The house itself was built in '84.
Oh, okay.
There might have been
I'm sure there was a house here before that.
Yeah.
So, about 30 feet or so of old concrete pipe that is intact and functioning. I mean, it actually looks fine to me. Coming back through here, we're back in PVC. So somebody at some point, probably when they built the place, dug a long trench out to close to the roadway there, and then laid all new plastic pipe through there from here at the house out to there. So the only original pipe is that 30 feet or so that's underneath the road.
What brought this on was some friends of ours in Bellevue. Didn't know it, but they had a problem with roots. And the sewer backed up and made, as you can imagine, a terrible mess on the ground floor. Oh, yeah. So I thought, hey, better to buy some insurance.
Yeah. You know a guy, too.
Yeah.
So we're upside down now. The water's on the top of the... I can flip this over to... Oh, just back in the right direction there, but... All this PVC looks good. It looks like it may have settled very slightly in one spot where it's kind of got a little bit flat, but I don't think it's anything worth concerning over. So right there, it's a little bit flat through there. But that camera head is only sitting off the floor or the base level of the pipe, maybe a half an inch. So when it ducks underwater, it doesn't necessarily mean it's a big pool it's going into. So coming back into the house now. We've been back in the house. We're coming back up the old clean out stack now. But it looks good. I mean, if anything, and I'll send you the recording. And the recording there.